Here at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, one of our departments that stands out is our Poor Relief Department. Under the Poor Relief Department, our purview is also to focus on the homeless population. Homelessness, it is a worldwide phenomenon. It is nonetheless no different in the city of Kingston and the parish of St. Andrew. Our department, we aim to be that beacon of hope for the homeless population in our city. Under our program, we operate two main shelters. The Mary Atkins Night Shelter, which was formulated in the 1990s, 1993 to be exact, and then our Desmond Mackenzie Transitional Center for the Homeless, which opened the doors to the public in April of 2022. Under our homeless program, we offer a wide range of services. We not just only provide meals for these individuals, we try to develop rehabilitation programs. So most persons who live in our facilities, in particular our transitional home, they are a part of our rehabilitation program. Under our rehabilitation program, what we do is we develop treatment plans based on our assessment of various individuals that come to us. So what you'll find is that individuals in our shelter, they also work. You have individuals who are upskilling. We provide direct access to services. So we partner with various stakeholders to include HEART. HEART is where a number of our residents, they traverse to on a daily basis to get a skill. And after they get that skill, HEART will assist in job placement for those individuals. We also, at our Kingston and St. Andrew MC, it's the only one in the island that has an environmental warden program. And that environmental warden program was developed specifically for this population. So you find that the homeless population, they are the individuals who are employed to carry out the duties of environmental wardens, wherein they clean the city. So you'll find that you'll see individuals downtown sweeping and cleaning the streets of Kingston, and they are paid by the municipal corporation, and those said individuals are individuals living in our shelters. We try to take a holistic approach in carrying out our functions. We do not just look at the, say, one ideal issue. We try to look at an individual's entire spectrum so as to be better able to craft or develop a plan that is best suited for that individual, because there's no individual that is the same. Everybody is unique and their process, it's all different. So assisting an individual to reintegrate and get back into society, it is not an overnight one-day task. It will take time, because at the same time we have to take into consideration that we have to focus on an individual's mental well-being. So at our facility, we partner with Ministry of Health, their mental health team, where we ensure that there's not just medical treatment for our residents, but there's talk therapy, because talk therapy is of utmost importance. And in talking to these individuals that come into us unstable, then because of the treatment that they receive from the employees and the various caregivers in the facility, then they develop that sense of stability, and the hope is restored for them to get back on track. And that is what we have been doing here through the Poor Relief Department at Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.